These are from ziitop. They are sandals, beach wear for the spring, summertime, all year round. And they got a nice design inside in a silver lettering and silver stitching all around, Velcro on 3 areas of interest with the see-through air support system and a rubber bottom with design for gripping. You could put them in the water, let them dry, go all day long, wherever you want, wear them with socks and more. What we're going to do is demonstrate and show at the beach what the sandals look like. Right here, we're going to put the sandals on over a pair of socks and with bare feet, give you an idea. Release the back of the Velcro by grabbing. They are movable for large feet. I wear a size 12. They slip on, they pull, and they lock. The sandals fit. They got a comfort bottom. They will mold to the feet. And that's what it looks like without and with socks on. The sandals can be worn at the beach for summertime, walking around casually, on the sand, in the water, a nice indent on the floor, as you can see. Enjoy your sandals wherever you want to walk. Thank you for viewing.